So we just got on the bus to Ha Giang, and look how cool this bus is. Like, this is amazing. I've never seen a bus like this. Could fully lie down. I mean, like, there's so much space. I've got so much room. So it's got a charger port. You can adjust your seat. It's got lights. Oh, that's a bright one. Comes with a blanket. Don't think I'll be using that. I actually cannot remember how long the bus journey is, but I'm estimating it's about 6 hours to Ha Giang. So we'll be reaching there about 3-4 o'clock in the morning. So we will see you in Ha Giang.
So we are just about to set off for the Ha Giang Loop, and it is pouring with rain outside. Just our luck. So we've got our jackets on. We've got our motorbike right there. We've got a 110cc semi-automatic. Chels, how you feeling?
I'm not happy. It's raining.
Never mind, but it is what it is. So we're going to try to do some 3 days. I know most people do it in 4. Some people do it in 3. But because the weather, the views probably won't be there, so we'll try to do it in 3 days. So yeah, we're going to set off now. The footage that you guys are going to see will be from the GoPro that's mounted on my helmet.
I mean, if you don't get to see any footage, this is the map.
And yeah, so if the audio is not great, it's because it comes from the GoPro. We can't record obviously in the rain with this camera. So we just made our first stop off at a shop that's supposed to have a really nice view, but as you can see behind me, it's completely covered in fog. Looks like we're on a green screen on that, and then we just put a white background on it. There is a shop, we just parked up. If you guys have seen the footage, then man, it's madness. The weather's not great, trucks everywhere, landslides everywhere. Not ideal conditions, but it's still a lot of fun. We're gonna get moving in a second and try head off to that coffee shop that again is supposed to have a nice view, but we ain't getting no views today.
You lot should see the madness how to go to the toilet. I nearly lost my life. Listen, there's stairs underneath this building, and then there's just a metal gate in between stairs and a pathway, and you have to cross it, and underneath that is just a drop. We're so high up.
I wish you could see it, because even though it's foggy, if you look down, you can kind of see it on the camera. Not really, but we are super high up. Anyways, we're gonna get a move on and try head to that coffee shop, because I could do with a hot drink right now. So we just stopped off at Heaven's Gate Cafe for the beautiful view number 2. Oh my god, look at that. You can't get better than that.
But you can't get a better tea out here. This is some good shit.
That tea's nice, Lipton tea. We've got about 3 more hours to drive in this rain until we haven't even booked any accommodation, so we're just winging it right now. A lot of tour groups, as you can see in the background. The cafe is also packed, even though the weather's really bad. The GoPro has died. I'm going to try to change the battery over. But if you guys don't see anything from now until when we check into the place, that's why. It's because I wasn't able to change the battery.
Well, we've made it to one of the viewpoints. I know it doesn't look that much behind us, but if you take a look that way.
The fog finally cleared up.
Well, sort of.
So the spot we've stopped at is basically a photo spot. It's meant to have a bunch of places where you can go and take photos. The only one I can see so far is this one, which looks really sketchy because it is metal and it's wet, which means it's really slippery and it's on the edge of a cliff. So yeah, I don't know about that one.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm really not sure how he's doing it. I attempted it, but I couldn't. Oh my goodness. Come on down.
That is so sketchy. So, Chel's chickened out of that last spot. So we're going to a new spot where she can get a nice picture. Because I can't lie, she got a sick picture of me up there. And by the way, if you're wondering, it is 10,000 Vietnamese dong per person, which basically is like a donation because it goes towards cleaning up the area and also it's for taking photos on the equipment.
We're leaving because I'm being attacked by a bee and it's currently got hold of my stuff.
It owns our motorbike now. We can't
it
go near
won't
it.
leave us alone. He's been following us for a hot minute. But yeah, we're gonna go and we've got about 20 kilometers to go before we actually get some food.
So yeah, we've got about an hour and a half, hour and 40 minutes till we get to our accommodation. But we're gonna stop off at this little village first and get something to eat. So we've just stopped off one last time before heading to our accommodation in Yen Min village, and we have got some nice food. We've got some pho, and we got some fried rice with egg. I wish you guys could smell this. So yeah, we're gonna just eat and then we're gonna head out. We're trying not to stop again because we need to make up the time.
Right, we've just arrived at our hotel. It took about 3 hours to get here. Google Maps told us it will be an hour and a half from where did we stop?
Yen, I think.
Yeah, so it said an hour and a half. It literally took us about 3 hours to get here. Google Maps is not the one to follow. Just know your journey's always going to be longer. It's been a really good day. It's been very productive. We got pretty far. We wasn't meant to come this far, but because the views were all blocked with all the clouds, we thought, you know what, let's just do it. We didn't stop off as many times as we planned. So we are actually in Don Van now. We're in this okay hotel. We can't complain. We paid £10 and it's private and you get 2 double beds, which is hard as rock.
Yeah, they are really, really hard.
Yeah, but we're extremely tired. I think we're gonna have an early one.
Yeah, so that is day 1 of our Ha Giang Loop adventure complete, and we'll see you guys for day 2 in the next one.
Peace.